Good morning student. In previous video we have seen the information about climate of India. Dear student, in previous video we have seen that about the rain shadow area. What is rain shadow area? You have seen those winds, or you can say those monsoon winds, okay, blowing from the southwest, from the Arabian Sea. Okay, that winds cannot cross the Aravalli mountain. Means Aravalli mountain is the obstruction, वो रुकावट हो गई उनके लिए. That's why that monsoon wind cannot cross the Aravalli mountain. That's why they receive very more rainfall in the coastal region, near the coastal region, and they receive very low rainfall in the Gujarat and in the Rajasthan. That's why we have seen there is a desert, there is very low rainfall. Today's video, dear student, we will see next informations. Later this wind move toward the Himalayas, then gradually that winds, okay, move toward the Himalayan mountain. Okay, their moisture carrying capacity increase and their moisture, उस जो विंड में जो मॉइस्चर होता है, ओके, जो नमी होती है, ओके, देयर कैपेसिटी इंक्रीज, वो उसकी कैपेसिटी क्या होती है, इंक्रीज होती है. एंड ऑरियोग्राफिक टाइप ऑफ रेनफॉल ऑकर and they receive their orographic rainfall, okay, because of the natural obstruction of the Himalayas. Due to the natural obstruction of Himalaya mountain, okay, they receive their orographic type of rainfall. वहाँ पे orographic type of rainfall होता है कहाँ पे, in the area of Himalayan mountain. And this moisture carrying, due to the orographic type of rainfall occur because natural obstruction of the rainfall, because of the natural obstruction of the Himalaya, okay, and these wind return from the Himalaya range, and when they receive their rainfall, okay, in the area of Himalayan mountain, okay, so then what will happen, these wind return from the Himalaya range, and that monsoon wind return from the Himalayan range, and their retreating journey start, और वहाँ से उसकी क्या चालू होती है, रिट्रीटिंग जर्नी. मतलब उसकी स्टार्ट कहाँ से हुआ है, अरेबियन सी से उसका स्टार्ट हुआ है. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, ओके, दे फाइट विथ यू कैन से अरवली माउंटेन और यू कैन से वेस्टर्न घाट. ओके, देन दे रीच टू हिमालयन रेंज. ओके, देयर दे रिसीव rainfall, orographic rainfall due to the natural obstruction. Okay, and after receiving the rainfall there, okay, they return. वो जो विंड से, जो मानसून विंड है, वो क्या हो जाते हैं, रिटर्न हो जाते हैं. ओके, एंड while blowing from the north east toward the Indian Ocean, और while blowing from the north east, उसकी जो डायरेक्शन है, कहाँ से बहते हो, नॉर्थ ईस्ट टू साउथ साइड. ओके, नॉर्थ ईस्ट टू साउथ साइड, नॉर्थ ईस्ट toward the Indian Ocean, these wind bring rainfall again in some part of peninsula, and while their return journey, अभी उसका जर्नी कैसा हो गया, रिटर्न. ओके, while their return journey, okay, they receive rainfall in the some part of our India. This is the retreating monsoon season in India. That's why this is a retreating monsoon of India. Means in the some part of the peninsula, वो अपना जो पेनिनसुला है साउथ साइड में, ओके, वहाँ पे वो कभी कभी उसकी वजह से बारिश होती है इन विंटर सीजन में. स्पेशली इफ यू विल सी इन द तमिलनाडु, ओके, तमिलनाडु, ओके, दे आर रिसीव retreating monsoon. Okay, this is the retreating monsoon season in India. In general, the climate of India is hot throughout the year. Otherwise, throughout the year, okay, in our India there is a, you can say, hot temperature, because all of you knows Tropic of Cancer passes in the middle part of the India. Okay, that's why throughout the year there is a high temperature. But due to the retreating monsoon, तो हमने अभी भी देखा है, ओके, retreating monsoon means जो मानसून, ओके, origin from the, you can say, south side, especially you can say southwest, okay, and then that monsoon, okay, reach to Himalayan mountain, okay, they receive their orographic rainfall, and that winds, okay, that wind return from the northeast to south side in the peninsula, okay, and there they receive rainfall. So as the Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of India, India is considered to be the tropical region. That's why इंडिया को भी क्या कहा जाता है, ट्रॉपिकल रीजन, ड्यू टू द ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर. बिकॉज वहाँ से ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर भी है, इसलिए उसको अपना जो इंडिया है वो भी कहाँ पे आता है, ट्रॉपिकल रीजन। एज वी हैव सीन ब्राज़ील इज आल्सो इन द ट्रॉपिकल रीजन, वो भी कहाँ पे आता है, ट्रॉपिकल रीजन। ओके, सो इंडिया फेसेस नेचुरल डिजास्टर, Latinos, India faces natural disaster like erratic rainfall, droughts, cyclones, floods are frequently। ओके, इस तरह के जो नेचुरल डिजास्टर है, ओके, उसको बोलते हैं नैसर्गिक आपत्तियाँ। ओके, वी आर फेसिंग, ओके, एवरी ईयर्स। यू हैव, ओके, आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ यू, ओके, very good or deep knowledge about this, you can say what we can say, disasters। okay, there are 4 seasons as per the Indian Meteorological Department। so जो अपना जो Indian Meteorological Department, okay, they have given here 4 type of season in our India। the first is hot weather season, hot weather season especially, okay, we will see summer season, season of rainfall, season of rainfall, okay, it start from June to, you can say, June to September। okay, season of rainfall in monsoon and season of retreating monsoon। जस्ट बेसिकली आपने इस वीडियो में हमने देखा है retreating monsoon। ओके, जो मानसून हिमालय माउंटेन, ओके, पहुंचने के बाद भी वहाँ से वो रिटर्न हो जाते हैं। ओके, एंड दे रिसीव रेनफॉल इन द साउथ साइड और इन द पेनिनसुला सम पार्ट ऑफ आवर इंडिया। सो सीजन ऑफ retreating monsoon and the cold weather seasons and the cold weather season, okay, these are the 4 seasons are in our India। so dear student, I hope, okay, you will understood, okay, all this information about the climate of India। okay, next video, dear student, we will see next information of this lesson। thank you, okay, and dear student, I request, okay, those you can say activities are in your textbook। activities means the graphs, okay, some maps, okay, and there are some questions, okay, so try to solve that questions, okay, carefully, because on that questions or on that map or graph, okay, especially, okay, 2 questions are included in our question papers or 8 mark। okay, so do it carefully, okay, and study well। thank you।